What's going on, crew? Today we have a 2015 Honda CRV all-wheel drive over here at ALH Automotive LLC in the Lake Jackson area of Tallahassee, Florida. We're going to start out here with the exterior. First things first, this familiar front end, you can't deny it. When you see it, you know what it is. From the Honda emblem to the fog lights, just to the refinement, to the style. Nice touches all the way around. We're going to slide around here to the side. Nice wheels on here from the factory. This one is stock. From the tent to the sunroof, there's nothing extra here. This is exactly what the doctor ordered. In this review, we're going to go over the exterior, of course. We're going to go over some of the features of the interior. And if you hang tight with us for a little while longer, we're going to take it for a spin. Honda CRV. What does CRV stand for? At ALH, Certified Resale Vehicle. We already know Hondas have a high resale value, and these things hold their value. Come join the Honda family today. We have stepped around here to the back. Once again, styling is very nice on these CRVs. I've always liked this tail light assembly they put on these. Kind of Cadillac uses something similar where it's elongated along the tailgate window. Looks really good. Nice touches there. Got some chrome here on the lift gate. There you can see it's an all-wheel drive CRV. Nice touches. And down here at the bumper area, very nice touches. The exhaust doesn't stick out too far. So this looks sleek. The word of the day, sleek, Honda style. Y'all stay tuned. We'll look at the side profile. I really like how they have the chrome around the windows here. Nice touch there. You do have slight fender flares here, as you can see. Nice touches there as well. Once again, sleek and stylish. Honda style. I'll have the dealership information down in the description, and we'll go from there. Y'all hang tight. Thank y'all for watching. Crew, so this is where the magic begins. This interior, beautiful leather interior, power adjustable seats, as y'all can see here, with lumbar adjustments. These are perforated leather. They look really good. What do y'all think? Just pan around here, check this interior out. Of course, the sunroof. Nice touches all the way around. We're going to hop in here. I'll go over some of the features. Just wanted to give you an overview real quick, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we're going to do a little overview of the rear seat as well. Rear seat accommodations, I want to say. Nice touches here, perforated leather. You got your cup holders there in the center. You got your own air conditioning controls down there for the rear passengers. Nice, spacious interior. Look at that quality. With a capital Q. We'll hop in there in a second. I'll give you a leg room test, all that good stuff as well. Y'all hang tight. Here is the cargo area. Plenty of space, as y'all can see. It's got its own pull shade here. Pull that over your cargo when you're out of town. Keep you from looking through your stuff. Plenty of space back there. This one is not a power lift gate, but you'll make it work. The trunk struts are very strong here. Makes the upward and closure modes, or whatever you want to call it, makes it real easy. Nice touches, Honda style. So here we are in the interior. Go over a couple features here. You have various menu options here on the left side of the steering wheel. You come over to the right side of the steering wheel. You got your cruise control options. You have this really nice screen here with a reverse camera on the brake. And the reverse camera does have trajectory, so if you turn the wheel, it does move, as y'all can see. Nice touches there. You got your automatic dual zone climate control. Very nice touches. It is a push button start, as y'all can see there. Wood trim throughout. Got some metal trim as well on the door panels. This nice touches all the way around, but these leather perforated seats look really good. They feel really good. As you can tell here, they're heated. You have some charging ports. You got plenty of storage throughout. You have leather wrapped center console with contrast stitching, as you can see there. Nice touches. What y'all think? Y'all check this one out today. If you're looking for a Honda CRV certified resale value, check us out. It's got an eco mode over there in the corner. Nice touches. Nice touches. What y'all think? Let us know. And spacious. Oh yeah, can't forget about the sunroof. Honda style. All right, so we are officially in the back seat. Nice viewpoints from back here. Very nice sunroof again. Starting out down here, you have your own air conditioning vents back here. Once again, you have that same good feeling, reliable leather seating surfaces back here. You have your own cup holders in the back. These back seats do split 60-40. There's your cargo area real quick. Very nice touches. Let me show you the leg room back here. So this is where the seat was up front with me sitting up there. 6'1", tall, slim, long legs, and there is plenty of leg room back here. You don't feel cramped at all. And I think this will work for a family, a business man or woman. It's so many uses. Ride share programs, if that's something that you do. What you think? Am I giving you guys and gals ideas? Come see us today. Again, just wanted to give you a little bit more viewpoints. Here's the seats again. Nice touches. Viewpoints all the way around. Y'all check it out. All right, crew, so we're going to take this Honda CRV out for a spin, give you a virtual test drive, and go from there. First things first, this particular unit is a push button start. So right here is your button. As long as you got the key in the possession, go ahead and fire it up. Nice touches. Got your Honda link comes up on the screen here. Gauges do a nice little sweep action, and we'll just go from there. So turn on the headlights. I got the fog lights on. We'll just start out in normal mode, which is what it's in anyway, and then you can put it on eco mode if you would like to. Give you a little bit more fuel economy. So let's look at the Honda dash layout. Nice touches here. You got a nice little screen up top here. You got the nice screen here as well with the reverse camera, and it's got trajectory. So if you turn the wheel, as y'all can see, the lines there move accordingly. You do actually have different views there for the camera. Nice touch there. Dual zone climate control. I've always liked how they put the shifter right here. It's just perfectly, if you got your elbow on the center console, it's a perfect reach out for it there. You do have heated seats up front. You do have a power outlet right here behind my phone. Plenty of storage area, cup holders here. Pretty good size center console. You got some USB ports, all kind of goodies in there. Another power outlet. Good stuff, right? Soft touch leather materials here on the center console. Excuse my camera box right there. Got the sunroof up top, as y'all can see. Nice touches there. Curtain airbags all the way around, so you got safety, you got Honda value, Honda reliability. You can't beat it. You can reset your tire pressure monitors right here. You got your traction off button here, and then, like I said, good solid materials all the way around. I like this little metal trim here. Auto up and down driver's window. You got your mirror adjustments there. Matter of fact, let's do that real quick. Get these things right. Nice touches all the way around. You can't beat it. So it has regular drive mode. It's got an S. I'm guessing that's maybe a sport mode, and then you got a low mode just in case, you know, if you need the maximum torque, if you're, let's say, in the snow or something like that. So nice touches all the way around. You just can't beat a Honda. Honda speak for themselves. You don't have to really talk too much about them. Pull this down, get a little better visibility, and here we go. Here we go again. And this one is a manual tilt and telescoping steering wheel as well. Guess I got the camera on. You can have, that's another touch. You can have the camera on if you would like, when it's not in reverse. And there you go, go back to the radio control. So if you like to have the camera running full time, that's maybe an extra viewpoint, something you can do there. So the Honda 4-cylinder in these it's very smooth. It builds power. Feels really, really good. You get your instant mile to a gallon there in your display. I like how big the gauges are there. Very easy to see. Honda Accord-ish. And we're gonna go up here, give y'all a brake test and a turn circle test as well. And then we'll head on back. It's going to give you a perspective of it. Quiet operation, no mechanical noises here, low wind noise, low tire noise. The engine is very muffled, and even for it to be a 4-cylinder engine, there's not much vibration here. So nice touches. Certified resale value CRV. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do our brake test right here. Give you my perspective on the brake feel, all that good stuff. All right, here we go. We're gonna break it down. Nice firm brake pedal. You see that brake pedal work, because boy, stuff sliding off the seats. And we're gonna go ahead and do a turn circle test. Oh yeah, swings around in the first lane. Give it a little acceleration. Smooth, effortless power from this unit. Whoa, got up there quickly. Quickly. Why certainly. Quickly. Anyway, enjoying this beautiful day. Enjoy bringing these reviews to you all. And like I said, I'll have the information for this unit down in the description, and we'll go from there. Looking for a Honda SUV? Can't beat that CRV. Honda CRV. If you're looking for a Honda SUV, you can't beat the CRV. Wow, I made a song. If you're looking for a If you're looking for a SUV, yeah, come and check out this CRV. Yeah. I'm done. I promise. Yeah, smooth operator. All right, another brake test. Gonna get down on it a little bit harder on the brake pedal. Here we go. Whoa. All right, give you another turn circle test real quick. Here we go. A little bit of acceleration. So yeah, this is very livable for y'all daily use, I would say. What you think? In conclusion, the Honda CRV impresses all the time. Oh, so it uses the camera for its blind spot camera, as y'all can see. See that? That's what the turn signal is. That's cool. That's a nice touch. So yeah, what you think? Oh yeah, have no fear. ALH is here. Honda style. Thank y'all for watching.